It's been worth the effort.
No, no, thank you. Thanks, I can imagine that for the company it must be but the effort is very experienced guys. Pilots. They know how to bring it in.
I look forward to a good day of intense discussions now, investments and priorities across
yeah, because we have to go now to join the Prime Minister and the rest of the things. Yeah.
Hopefully we'll make it on time.
Thanks a lot. So it was great to see the huge progress in 1 year, and it's very good to see that our Austrian neighbors are doing such a great job here in the world.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All the best. Thank you.
għadha miftuħa l-kumpanija tiegħek fil-Panama. Għadha miftuħa l-aktar jew
Illum kellna a big celebration fejn għandna l-ewwel ta' Heavy Fuel Oil u għal-raġunijiet li l-Partit Nazzjonalista biss jaf illum il-ġurnata qed naqilbu għall-gas.
Ma ġibx il-mistoqsija, Konrad Missi.
Seka Ministru, jekk għajt li ġej mill-Commission. X'Commission insomma, Ministru? X'Commission insomma?
Careful in my wajan.